Hello guys! Today we're making a yogurt cherry pie. So grab 3 eggs and separate them into yolks and whites. This recipe was such a pleasant surprise for me. It's one of those times when just a few simple ingredients turn into something incredibly delicious. So, stay with me. You're gonna love it. Pop the egg whites in the fridge so they whip up nice and stable. Add a pinch of salt to the egg yolks. Then throw in some powdered sugar and just mix everything until fully combined. Powdered sugar works best here. It blends in quickly and gives the dough a soft, tender texture. Next, pour in 1/3 cup of melted butter and give it a good mix until everything is well combined. Make sure the butter is warm, not hot, otherwise the yolks will scramble. Next, throw some flour into a sieve and a teaspoon of baking powder. Now sift them together to break up lumps and spread the baking powder for an even rise and smooth texture. Work the dough until it's smooth, soft, and even. You can use a spatula at first, then switch to your hands if you like. It only took me a few minutes to get this done. And this is what we've got, smooth, soft dough. Now, cut off about 1/3 of the dough. This little piece is special. We'll freeze it and later grate it over the top, just like cheese. That's what gives the pie its nice look and that extra bit of flavor. Let's move on to the cherries. We'll need 3 cups of pitted cherries, either fresh or frozen. Then toss some sugar into the saucepan with the cherries and 1/2 cup of cornstarch to thicken the cherry mixture. Then pour in 2/3 cup of water and give it a good stir until everything's evenly mixed. By the way, you can easily swap the cherries for other berries. Blueberries, strawberries, even raspberries work great. Set the pan on the stove and cook over medium heat until the cherry mixture thickens, stirring constantly so the cornstarch doesn't stick and burn. It took me about 3 minutes. It's done as soon as it boils and thickens up. Do not overcook it, guys. Otherwise, the cornstarch will break down and the filling will turn runny. You want it thick, but not jelly-like. Next, let's make the yogurt filling. Toss 2 cups of Greek yogurt into a bowl. Add a little vanilla extract and 1/2 cup of cornstarch. Now give the yogurt and cornstarch a good mix. Cornstarch is what thickens the yogurt filling, keeping it from splitting in the oven and helping it hold its shape. Now take those egg whites out of the fridge. Add a pinch of salt and start whipping on low speed until you see some foam. Once it's foamy, gradually add some sugar and increase the speed to medium. By the way, who's tried baking with yogurt? Let me know in the comments below the video. Keep whipping on medium speed for about 3 to 5 minutes until you get soft peaks, just like these. Using a silicone spatula, add the egg whites to the yogurt mixture and carefully fold them in. I suggest adding the egg whites little by little. That way, the mixture stays airy with a lighter texture and better stability. Fold the egg whites into the yogurt using gentle upward motions. It keeps the yogurt filling light and delicate without deflating. Now grab an 8-inch pan and line it with parchment paper so the pie comes out easily. Place the main piece of dough in the pan and gently spread it out with your hands. shaping it along the bottom and creating a border around the edges. Make sure it's evenly spread so the filling sits nicely. Well done. Scoop the cherry filling and dollop it on top of the base layer. All of it, of course. And spread it out evenly. You don't need any special tools. A regular spoon works perfectly for this. Pour the yogurt and egg white mixture over the cherry layer. Let's get back to that little piece we put in the freezer. Like I said, grate it over the top like cheese. Just don't mistake it for Parmesan. Unless you're going for something really unusual. Pop the pie into the oven and bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 40 to 45 minutes. All right, get the pie out of the oven, let it cool a little, and take it out of the pan. Oh, and one more thing, guys. If you're enjoying the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Transfer the pie to a cooling rack and let it come to room temperature. It's really important to let it cool before slicing. The first time I rushed, the cuts were a mess, so don't make the same mistake. Just look at this. Absolutely gorgeous. This yogurt and egg white filling makes it super tender, and the cherry filling adds a perfect touch of tartness and sweetness. Go bake it and see for yourselves. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. Until next time.